Ahakoa he kaitua NRL a Jordan Riki.
We were just sort of watching, thinking, oh, hopefully we'll see him after the game. And then he came barreling over and he literally climbed over the seats.
He tamatonu ki tōna māmā.
There's a lot of great joys being a parent, but to see your kids actually get their dreams, the ones that they say that they wanted to get from such a young age, I just was really struck by that. In the moment, I looked at him and looked up into a 6-year-old face.
Jordan Riki.
No te mutunga wiki whiwhi te kaitākaro no Ōtautahi tana ringi tuatahi te whakataetae NRL me te team of Brisbane Broncos. I taia tinana te whaia o Jordan a Janelle Riki-Waaka, ai ki aia, he poho kereru te whānau katoa.
Ngā kariaroto katoa e tau ana ki taku tinana. He's worked very, very hard to get that ring. I don't think he would give it to anyone. It was the first thing he did when he saw me, is he took it off his finger and put it on my hand. And I was just overwhelmed.
Riki takes it! Riki has it! And the comeback kids have done it again!
Nā ko te kaitākaro second row tērā I whakamutu I te kēmu mā tana haukati I te kapa Melbourne Storm. Nā ko nā I puta ai tōna manoa nui me te hari.
Just can't wait to hug my family. People have doubted us all year. They've been, tarnishing my old coach, Madge, and bloody all the boys as well. And, just a good way to finish the year and win that premiership.
He throws a dummy!
I haina tuatahi a Riki ki te kapa Broncos I tana tau te kaumārima. Engari, I tīmata tana ara Riki I Ōtautahi tōna kāinga tuatahi.
Yeah.
He mihi katika ki te haukainga o ngai Tahu, ngai tuahuriri. Ahako, no waikato iwi atoto, e pākeke ana Jordan ki Ōtautahi. I raro I te maru o te haukainga.
Ngā mihi to everyone back home. Hornby, my other junior club, Rickerton Knights, St Thomas is a Canterbury. I love you guys. This is for you. It's not only for me, it's for you. Hopefully, I'm just one of those fellas that you can watch and chase your dream and obviously enjoy this. So, ngā mihi to you guys, lots of love. Kia ora.
Yes, boy.
Ko te whainga a mua Riki, ko te haere ki te whakataetae Riki ao me te kapa Kiwis a te rātou. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.